Alright, I guess I got another package from FedEx. Don't know what it is, so I figured I'd open it for you guys. Let's see. Just hate to damage something. Looks like it's going to be magazine stuff. Cheaper than dirt. What do we got here? Yeah, laugh at me guys. I got a hammer. I know. Or a wrench. Invoice. Garbage. For my buffer tube, you know, I want to make sure I do it right. So, yeah, you guys are all laughing at me. That's fine. You know, one guy AR build is gonna have all these tools and expensive rifle and everything, but yeah, hopefully this is the first of many. I kind of dig cheaper than dirt. Midwest Industries, they got a lot of really good stuff too. Yeah, so as I get the parts, I'll show them to you guys, and I'm probably going to be asking for some assistance as well. So on a lighter side, got into some discussions with some people about the upcoming election. Yeah, if anybody wants to talk about it, hit me up, buzz me a comment, and I'll give you my opinion as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, and more videos to come.